Vitamin D. This is a nutrient multimedia presentation for APN 615, Nutrition and Metabolism. My name is Lauren Sullivan and I am your tour guide. Our vitamin D tour today will include an overview of 5 topics about vitamin D. To have a good understanding of the vitamin, you must know the sources of vitamin D, the functions of vitamin D, how obesity changes the usefulness of vitamin D, that many patients with obesity choose weight loss surgery, and our final tour, the brilliant idea to help patients that select weight loss surgery utilize vitamin D. The best source of vitamin D is ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Vitamin D supplements may provide additional vitamin D. Vitamin D needs your body fat to absorb. But too much vitamin from too many supplements may cause an overload in the body and make you sick and lead to complications. The liver and the kidneys will store vitamin D, and the liver converts it to useful active vitamin D, calcidiol, ergocalciferol, and the kidneys form calcitriol, cholecalciferol. Vitamin D also comes from food sources including milk, cheese, beans and peas, egg yolks, fatty fish and liver, shiitake mushrooms, and butter. Well, we're at our second stop, and vitamin D functions everywhere in the body. Not enough vitamin D may cause problems with your muscles, how you fight diseases, your blood pressure, cancer cell growth, but the main function of vitamin D is bone health and skeletal integrity. And guess what? The goal is strong development. Vitamin D deficiencies occur for many reasons: low consumption of vitamin D foods, surgery changes, osteoporosis, kidney problems, where you live, age, and obesity. Well, how does obesity change the way vitamin D is used? Did you know 37% of adults in the United States have obesity, and more women than men? And patients with obesity have 35% higher vitamin D deficiencies than healthy weight persons. Vitamin D is fat soluble. Persons with obesity have more and larger fat cells. It gets stuck in the fat cells and can't be used. Gastric bypass surgery is our next stop, and the ASMBS reports 1 million Americans had weight loss surgery from 2013 to 2017. The gastric bypass surgery does a bit of replumbing on the intestines, making it hard for vitamin D, phosphorus, and calcium to absorb. This causes a decrease in calcium and vitamin D, and a decrease in bone strength, and an increase in bone fractures. So, a brilliant idea was crafted. This is tour number 5. If gastric bypass patients were given enough vitamin D, it might stop the vitamin D deficiency and stop the fractures. Well, is the right amount 3,000, 5,000, 6,000? That's the question of the day. Thanks for taking this tour with me.